to the channel. This has been an exciting project. We are on the porch. We went from flat ceilings to vaulted ceilings, put up insulation, finished up the ceiling with 2 more faux beams to go. And what do you think about that, Nani?
Well, we are finishing 2 more full beams, and then we're going to be finishing up the sheetrock.
Yes.
And this has been a really fun project.
First, we have to talk about the wager that me and my wife had installing the sheetrock. Tell them what the wager was.
The wager was, if you guys saw last video, and if you didn't, go watch it. Last video, Greg said he could finish this whole wall.
And 3.
3.
Yes, I can.
Sheetrock.
Yes.
But me and my mom think he's going to do it in 4 or 5.
She thinks that she's going to get a foot massage from me for losing. I'm going to get my foot massage for winning.
But if you lose, my mom gets a foot massage, and I get some gum.
Oh, boy. Well, we're going to see. We're going to make this stretch with 3. We're going to see how this goes. Folks, she's gonna lose.
No, I'm not.
Hey.
I'm gonna tell you why. If you have to use this one, right?
Yes, I
This
am.
one. Wait, this is the last one.
Yep.
Oh my life! Okay, so this is how I'm gonna prove my point. Ready? So you already used 3.
Yes.
I used 1 piece right here.
Okay, that's 1.
Okay.
Right there.
All these were scraps. These were scraps from last one.
Yeah.
This is number 2 right here that I have to cut from here. That's number 2. And right here, that's number 2.
Yeah.
Okay? Then you have 3.
Yeah. Hold on, wait, we gotta point the finger so we can see what we're talking
You have
about.
3 right here.
Hold on.
3 right here.
One.
And then,
So she's saying 1, 2, 3, and this was a scrap
And
work.
this is the fourth
scraps
one.
that she did. These are the scrap work she did. Those are scraps,
and
which
this
I
is
was
the
gonna
fourth one.
use.
This
Okay.
is the fourth one.
Well,
So
that's
you're
the
telling
fourth
me.
one. That's
so
the
you're
fourth
telling
one.
me. You're telling me right now, right?
Yes,
that there's still places to fill. Right there. Right there. Up there.
And
right
fill that.
here. And right there. And you're telling me you'll be able to fill it with only using this right here?
Yes.
This right here.
Yes, ma'am.
I'm gonna stay right here and I'm gonna watch you. So if you use this, baby, this is 4. You
No,
know what that
that's-
means, right? And you're gonna be massaging me. That's what it means.
There's Princess right there. Hi, Boo-Boo. How are you today? So my wife thinks that I don't have enough to do this wall. I brought up the extra scrap that I said I had. Watch me. Watch me.
So guys, guess what? My husband is done. He put up all the sheetrock. Look. And he used, how many pieces did you use?
3 and
So do you guys see that little spot right there?
Look,
That little spot right there? He's gonna need the 4th one for that little spot right there.
That's it. It's
But I
only
said,
2 inches.
but I said if you use any of the 4th one,
Look.
you owe me an hour massage. Baby, how you feel that you're about to give me an hour massage?
Come on now. Come on now. Bye. All right, guys, it's time to mesh this wall right here. I'm gonna show you, even though I lost a bet by just this much, I'm gonna show you what she did. Check this, okay? She took my remnants and she went to work. This is what she did. Look at
I'm trying to
that.
help you so you can use less, okay?
Look. She took all my remnants and went to work.
Well, whatever. That's why we have this big mesh, right? It's called meshing.
Yes. So this is what we do when we have jobs like this where it looks like maze, looks like a, I don't know, like a jigsaw puzzle, some kind of puzzle.
Whatever.
If it looks like a puzzle like this, I'm going with this bad boy, because if I were to use, oh, here it is right here. See, if I were to use this tape, I'd be all day. Chuck that. Okay? We're gonna go with this right here. I'm gonna show you how that's gonna work. Let's get this wall done! Okay, I got the first coat done. I'm gonna wait for this to dry. Tomorrow, come back, sand, apply the second coat. Working it out. Working it out. Bring it on down.
For all those spaces your wife messed up?
Yeah, these are all the million pieces my wife put in, like Jenga.
I'm sorry, honey.
She put them in there. She tried.
I'm really not sorry, but.
What you say?
Nothing.
Uh-huh.
Everything, huh? You got it out of your
Not
head.
at all.
Put your head down.
Fell on my head.
Oh my god, it's funny. Those are all those karate moves, baby.
Okay, guys, now it's time to install my third beam. Let's beam up, Scotty! It's time to stain my last board. Woo! Okay guys, so I got her all tacked in. I'm gonna let her sit and dry. I'm gonna go hang the brackets. Wait about a half hour before I start to hang this.
All right, so usually I would be holding the beam at the bottom, but my husband wants to be macho man right now and do it all by himself.
I'm giving my wife a vacation.
Not a vacation, a break. Calm down.
Oh, there you go, girl.
Let's go. Let's see. Let's
There
see.
you go. Ah, yeah.
Yes. Oh my God, babe. It looks fantastic. All right, so hubby's doing an exciting part.
Yes.
Finally, the ceiling fan.
This is a 52-inch ceiling fan.
It's actually the same one as this one. I love this one. So we went with the same one, especially since they're both connected.
Yeah.
The rooms are both connected. I wanted something that's similar.
So we have this on a down rod, which I have here. Never put one on a down rod before, but this is pretty long, so we have enough wire for that, hopefully. We'll see how that's gonna work out.
All right, he's gonna put it together.
All right, guys, we got the ceiling fan in. We've got so much done this week. We're gonna be starting the sanding and the painting of the walls. Hopefully we'll get down to the floors. That's gonna be a lot of fun. See you next week.
Say bye.